On today's episode of Home Improvement,
it's fine.
get in the hole. I think it's good enough.
I'm sure it's great.
For what we paid the contractor, I think it's good enough. Sometimes, like, is it good enough? Should I just keep it how it is, or do I want to risk breaking it even more and then I have to fix something even more?
From what I see here, it looks great.
I didn't show the cheap IKEA drill. Where's the IKEA logo? Or whatever.
What's up, little guy? She doesn't understand the camera.
There's the last two. It'll be like